Welcome to Intro to Mechatronics Part 9. In this problem, we have a machine that completes two different possible operations on a part. These operations equate to 1 unit or 5 units of wear on the machine. If wear on the machine is greater than X, which is whatever quantity deemed necessary, the machine shuts down for maintenance. The values I will be using for inputs are A, which is true when the operation that is 1 unit of wear is run, B, which is true when the operation that is 5 units of wear is run, and C, which resets the machine wear value to 0. We will be assuming that these are all wired normally open. Then we have one output, which is X1, which shuts down the machine for maintenance. I want to lead with this video is mostly intended to introduce some new functions. It may not be the most viable solution to this problem. The new functions are the greater than or equal to function, which takes source A value and compares it to source B value. If the value is greater than or equal to, it puts a true signal to the output. An add function, which adds source A value to source B value, then puts this new value in the destination of your choice. And finally, a move function, which takes a variable or constant, which is the source, and moves it to a destination of your choice. You may want to pause here and see if you can figure out how to program this ladder logic program. For your reference, here's a slide that goes over the basics of ladder logic. Okay, so the way I went about this one is by connecting the A input to an add function that adds 1 unit of wear to the machine wear variable, then takes the new value and sets that to machine wear. This happens only when the operation that is 1 unit of wear is run. Then I did the same thing for B input, but added 5 units of wear to the machine wear variable anytime this is run. And the destination for this is the machine wear variable again. Then to initiate the machine shutdown for maintenance, I used a greater than or equal to function. If the machine wear variable is greater than the X, which is whatever value is deemed necessary to turn off the machine turns off. Or I should say the coil turns on, which activates the mechanisms to turn off and lock out the machine. And finally a C input, which when pressed resets the machine wear value to 0. It basically takes the value 0 and moves it to the destination of machine wear. That concludes this video. Hope that I've earned a like, share, or subscription. If you enjoyed this video, you may enjoy one of these videos as well. Let me know how I'm doing in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.